A 4-bedroom house and lot for sale located in BF Resort, Las Piñas. Maluwag ang garden natin sa harap at kasya dito 4 na car parking garage. And here sa first floor, located na ang living area, dining area, kitchen, at powder room. And there are other areas na hindi nakasama sa video like the maid's room, toilet and bathroom, guest room, and second kitchen. Then going up to the second floor, dito located na rin ang family area, good for the entertainment, para may family bonding. And dito sa first bedroom, meron tayong private toilet and bathroom. And next naman is the second bedroom and the third bedroom, isa lang naman po ang ating common toilet and bathroom. And lastly is the master's bedroom. Makikita nyo po ang bedroom. Kaya po dito queen size to king size bedroom. And meron tayong sariling walk-in closet. It is really spacious, kaya ang dami nyo pwede ilagay na damit. And lastly, we have our own private toilet and bathroom. If you want to schedule a viewing or to inquire, just message me. My details are just down here.